Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make Ofe Owerri. This is my own version of Ofe Owerri. To make this you will need cocoyam, and I have cooked the cocoyam already, peeled the back, and then I added water into the pot and make sure the cocoyam is all done. So I am going to add it with the water a bit, and then the next thing I'll do is to add oil. I added oil to it, and after blending I added in the pot and add some more oil to it so that the soup will be a bit well appetizing. So you can add less oil to yours. This is my own version of fufu. So I add oil and water to it, and to let it loosen a bit, cook it on the pot, and after it must have started cooked a little. So what I will do next to add the meat, the assorted meat, because I am using assorted meat for this and for more as well. So feel free to add what you like. I am adding dry fish that I've washed already, and that is it. So I also going to let it cook. While it's cooking, I add Maggi, which is stock cube powder. I add crayfish. I have added Maggi before, so I'm going to add fish. What I poured to that thing was water, the stock cube water. So I'm adding I've added pepper already before, so I'm adding meat, which is my grilled the grilled cow meat, and I'm adding periwinkles, and you can use snail for this since I can't find snail. So I add um ukasi leaf. This is dry one that I've soaked in water, so you can use fresh one if you can get them wherever you are. So the next thing I will do is to add ugu ugu leaf, yes, and the soup is also ready. So what next, I'm going to just stir it. You see, what I removed from there is pomo, so the pomo is not cooked yet, so I forgot that one by the side. So I going to add them and then turn them. Yes, I am turning them, and that is it. As because you don't let it cook it too much, so as it's boiling, it is already ready. Eat yours with fufu, with plantain fufu, with oatmeal fufu. I have the video and you can watch it. I am going to link it below, and do share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.